My husband's name appeared in a court filing last Tuesday, not as a witness, as a defendant. The case was filed in 2019, we married in 2020. Nathan and I have been married 4 years. He told me he worked in commercial real estate, acquisitions, deal management. I never pushed on specifics because he seemed to know what he was doing and I liked that about him. When I searched the case number, I found a fraud complaint. The defendant company was Meridian Capital Partners. It dissolved in September 2020. We married the following March. He had never said that name. Nathan's former business partner Marcus had filed a civil complaint in 2019. Said Nathan had diverted funds from their joint venture. The case had been active when we started dating, active when he proposed, active when I said yes. I found Marcus on LinkedIn in under a minute. He had the case number in his bio and a 2-sentence summary that began, "If you've done business with Nathan Cole, please contact me." I went back through our finances. We'd bought a house in late 2020, my down payment, my credit, his income as the stated earner. The mortgage was mostly my paper. I thought that was just how our situation worked out. His attorney filed a financial disclosure 2 weeks before we closed. I pulled the filing. It listed no real property. Our house wasn't in it. I sat at my kitchen table with both documents open. I called an attorney on a Wednesday. She asked if I'd been named in the suit. I said I didn't know. She said find out immediately. My name appeared in an amended complaint filed January 2021, 10 months after our wedding. Marcus had added me as a relief defendant. The complaint said Nathan had transferred assets into a jointly held account to shield them from judgment. The jointly held account was our savings. He'd deposited $67,000 in December 2020, 3 months after the suit was amended. I'd seen it and asked where it came from. He said a deal had closed. I said congratulations. We went to dinner. I ordered the salmon. He picked up the check and said it was a good week. We sat there celebrating money that wasn't his to move. I'd put $43,000 of my own into that account over 3 years. It was all in the same pot. I put the amended complaint on the kitchen table on a Sunday. He read the first page and set it down like it was routine. I asked when he'd planned to tell me. He said it was being handled. I asked which part. The fraud suit or my name being in it. He said Marcus was a difficult person, making a complicated situation harder. I asked how my savings fit into his complicated situation. He looked at the wall. I went to a hotel. Not dramatically. I needed somewhere to think that wasn't his kitchen. I called my sister from a room I paid for with cash because I didn't know what was frozen yet. In the morning, I went back through the full filing. There was a section listing financial transfers. My name appeared 14 times as a receiving party. I was in a legal document I'd never signed and never seen, and my savings were the reason. Marcus called me Thursday, found my number through the case records, said he had nothing against me, only Nathan, said he'd been trying to recover $340,000. Then he said Nathan had done this before. Different partner, different city, 2015. That case settled quietly. This time Marcus wasn't settling. I thanked him and sat down. Last week I found a receipt in Nathan's jacket. A restaurant I didn't recognize, a table for two, dated 3 weeks before the filing reached me. I put it back.